Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's see what you are going to create. You see, it's pretty nice, the pictures, everything, and I hope you also like it. So let's start in how we can create it. The first thing about that is that you need to new slide and you need the pictures in your slide. You see, these are pictures. You can insert them from here and this is done. Now we need to create this effect. So how we can do that? You create a new slide, blank slide, and in the slide you create this thing and insert the shapes the way you want. For example, one here, then rotate it if you want or not. 1, 2, 3. For the alignment is up to you, and then select all of them and set fragment. Then delete this thing and make it the color black with no outline. Then copy that, paste it here, and bring the transparency very low. You see, the effect is really amazing and I hope you like the effect. Then this is the pictures. I put the pictures simply in circles, nothing really special, and this shape are just simple things. So let me just copy this slide because I think you understand the principles and I don't need to take your time. Then we copy this slide and bring this thing to the top like this. And you can also give it a little effect by reducing its size to make it more look like it's going outer, and then increase it these two sides a little. Then cut, copy the second text and paste it here. And you need to copy the next picture. These are the pictures that important. Or if you are not copying the pictures, you are saving the picture in the background. Let's save the picture in the background. Then here, we just simply need to format the background. Insert. From here, from page, you can find the picture. And do the same thing for the third one. Change it. And make it a little smaller and the smallest. Okay, it's good. Then you just need to add the third picture. Save the background as always. It's just easy. And here, insert the background and place 3. For the text, you can write many things you want. I'm doing that placeholder as placeholder and nothing more. You can change it as the way you want and it's simply just up to you. Okay, now here, let's bring them to the top and reduce them size. It's nice. Now place 4 and the background picture, insert from pictures. The pictures are really stunning, and then select all of them and set the transition to morph. Now let's take a look. You see the effect in the pictures, the thing, everything is nice. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments.